So I bought this keyboard because I was tired of my solid black boring keyboard. I seen this one, I like the colors, I like the shapes of the keys, just the different look. It's typewriter style. I just wanted to try it out. A full keyboard. You can use it with Mac or PC. It's easy, it's plug and play. It's simple to use. It comes with this that you will find inside the mouse. So you just take this, plug it into your USB port. If you need to go to your settings and connect it, if your Bluetooth devices don't work automatically. 2.4 gigahertz. It's wireless, easy setup. The keyboard auto sleeps in 5 seconds and the mouse auto sleeps in 3 seconds to save your batteries. It has the floating keys and these buttons, they pop off. So if you want to clean them, and then they just flip back on. It has these 3 light up buttons at the top, the number lock indicator, the low battery, and the uppercase lowercase switch. So I'm going to try to see if you can hear the keys and the way they sound. So I love the way they sound. The mouse is a silent click, so you can barely hear it. There's shortcuts on the F keys. So F2 is go back, F3 is go forward, F4 is volume up, F5 is volume down, F6 is mute, F7 is your home. So all kinds of shortcuts at the top. So far I just really like the look of this. It's taken some getting used to with the circle keys instead of the square keys. I'm just not used to that, but I'm sure it won't take me long to get the hang of it. It just makes my messy desk look cuter. So I'm happy with my purchase, and I think I'll be using it for a long time.